Bonjour one and all, Jackrabbit 451 here. Yeah, sorry I haven't updated in like a month. I officially fail at daily vlogging. Um, but I kinda had to just show you this. We just had two gigantic snowstorms. Uh, Check this out. Look at all of that snow. So this is like how deep it is. And this is just the most recent of the two snowstorms. Picture this, except doubled, and you'll get the total amount of snow that we've had in the past week. This is only this tall because we shoveled the driveway previously. Yes, this is pretty amazing. Look at that nice blue sky. It looks bluer because I'm wearing purple sunglasses. And yeah, so that's pretty amazing. We have been snowed in. We didn't have school for the past 2 days. Today is Thursday. So we didn't have school on Wednesday and we didn't have school on Thursday. Probably going back to school tomorrow. Yeah, this is just insane. We have not had this much snow in years. And it's pretty exciting. So, just quick little update. Thanks for lending your ear again. And Excelsior, everyone.